dominate the world, to take the dominion. Then number 2, he commanded this man that subdue the earth. Meaning, God knew that if you don't subdue the earth will try to subdue you. Hallelujah. So he gave the man the command to subdue the earth. Hallelujah. Meaning that God was aware of the challenges ahead of you. God was aware that he has created man against the wishes of Lucifer. That he has created man to come and replace the position of Lucifer. So he knew Lucifer at some point will come and fight him. Hallelujah. He knew at some point Lucifer will fight you. He knew at some point Lucifer will come do against the wishes of you and God. So he told man, the world that I brought you is not just a common land. It is a land that somebody was trying to occupy. That somebody had believes that it belongs to him. He knew that this land that I brought you, sometimes Lucifer thought is going to be in control. But he told man, because I've blessed you and I brought you as a replacement of Lucifer, from now henceforth take the dominion and subdue the earth. Then he told man that everything you see on the face of the earth belongs to you. The trees, the plants, the animals, everything that you see belongs to you. Therefore he told man that whatever you see, may it be goats, may it be cows, may it be plants, may it be what that you think it is, they all under your able hands. You control them. You control them. Meaning you have supernaturally the power to be able to dominate.